Hi. In this video, let me continue with the rest of the problems which are related to derivatives of functions in parametric form. I hope I have solved the sixth question in my previous video. In this video, I shall solve from the seventh question. So we shall start solving from the seventh question. So what is the second question, please? Seventh question is, find the derivative of the function x is equal to sin cube t upon root cos 2t, comma y is equal to cos cube t upon root cos 2t. We shall solve this question right now. So the question was, find the derivative of the function which is of the form x is equal to sin cube t upon root cos 2t and y is equal to cos cube t upon root cos 2t. First find dy by dt. What is dy by dx? We know dy by dx is same as dy by dt upon dx by dt. So I will find dy by dt and dx by dt and solve for this. So let us solve for dy by dt. dy by dt is same as u by v rule root cos 2t into derivative of cos cube t minus cos cube t into derivative of root cos 2t upon root cos 2t whole square. So that is same as root cos 2t into 3 cos square t into derivative of cos t again, which would be minus sin t minus cos cube t into derivative of root of cos 2t is 1 by root cos 2t into cos 2t derivative is minus 2 sin 2t. So the 2 and 2 gets cancelled upon cos 2t. Okay. So I have root cos 2t in the denominator. LCM would be root cos 2t. If you take LCM as root cos 2t, it becomes cos 2t into 3 cos square t into minus sin t plus cos cube t into sin 2t. Cos cube t into sin 2t. Why? Because minus into minus will be plus. That is the reason it is plus cos cube t into sin 2t into cos 2t. This is dy by dt. Similarly, let me find dx by dt value. Dx by dt value would be root cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus sin cube t into minus 2 sin 2t upon 2 times root cos 2t. So the 2 in the numerator and the 2 in the denominator get cancels out and we get cos 2t in the denominator. So if we simplify this, we get it as cos 2t into 3 sin square t into cos t minus into minus, which would be plus sin cube t, this is t, not plus, this is cos cube t, sin cube t into sin 2t upon cos 2t into cos root of cos 2t. Major task is done. Therefore, dy by dx is same as dy by dt upon dx by dt, which would result to minus 3 cos square t into sin t into cos 2t plus cos cube t into sin 2t upon 3 cos 2t sin square t cos t plus sin cube t into sin 2t. So take out all the common from the numerator and from denominator. If you just take out what is the common from numerator and denominator, and before this you can expand even sin 2t value. Sin 2t value is, let me solve from here. So minus 3 cos square t into sin t into cos t plus 2 cos cube t into cos t into sin t upon 3 cos 2t sin square t into cos t plus, again expand here, you get here 2 sin cube t into sin t into cos t. So what are the things I can take common? I can take sin 2 into cos square t common from the numerator, sin t into cos square t, then we get minus 3 cos 2t plus 2 cos square t, and I can take sin square t into cos t from the denominator. If I just take out 3 cos 2t plus 2 sin square t, that is equal to 1 by tan t, because everything get cancelled out, sin t by cos t is 1 by tan t, into minus 3 cos square t, cos 2t can be written as cos square t minus sin square t plus 2 cos square t upon denominator also I have cos 2t, which is 3 times cos square t minus sin square t plus 2 sin square t. This is what we get in denominator and that is what in the numerator. So if we simplify this, it is same as 1 by tan t into minus 3 cos square t plus 3 sin square t plus 2 cos square t upon 3 cos square t minus 3 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. So if we simplify it further, we get 1 upon tan t into 1 upon tan t into, we get 3 sin square t minus cos square t upon 3 cos square t minus sin square t. Divide with cos square t in the both numerator and denominator, then we get 1 by tan t into 3 into sin square t by cos square t is 3 tan square t minus 1 upon 3 minus tan square t. So that is equal to minus of 1 minus 3 tan square t upon 3 into tan t minus tan square t into t is tan cube t. This entire thing is 1 by tan 3t. 1 by tan 3t is same as minus cot 3t. It is not such an easy problem. You have a lot of calculations. So please make sure that you do step by step and there are no issues with the question in the solutions. So just go through this 4-page solution. Good. If you got this, we shall solve the next question. Next question is find the derivative of the function x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. The next function is find the derivative of the function where x is equal to a into cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and where y is equal to a times sin t. So dy by dt is same as a times cos t, a times cos t, and dx by dt is same as a into cos t derivative is minus sin t plus log tan t by 2 is 1 by tan t by 2. Tan t by 2 derivative is secant square t by 2 into t by 2 would be 1 by 2. So a into, let me simplify this, minus sin t cos square t by sin t by 2 would be, this would be 1 by sin t by 2, I have 2 here, sin t by 2 into cos t by 2, because one cos t by 2 and one other cos t by 2 get cancelled. So I get a into 1 by sin t minus sin t. So if we simplify further, we get a into 1 minus sin square t by sin t, that is a into cos square t by sin t. I am just doing 2-3 steps which I hope you can get hold of that. So dy by dx is same as dy by dt by dx by dt, which is a cos t upon a cos square t upon sin t. So the a in the numerator and the a in the denominator get cancelled, and cos t get cancels, that is sin t by cos t, which is same as tan t. Okay, just the derivative and the basic simplification will help us to get the answer. Next question, x is equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta. X is equal to a times secant theta and y is equal to b times tan theta. So dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is b into tan theta, derivative is secant square theta upon a into secant theta into tan theta. So which would give me b by a, because secant theta and secant theta get cancelled. Secant theta by tan theta, secant theta by tan theta would be 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta into sin theta by cos theta. So cos theta get cancels, b by a sin theta or b by a cosecant theta. Either of them you would have given any one of this. Any one of this is correct. Both of this. Okay, this is question number 9, simple question. Now next question, let us solve the next question. Next question is find the derivative of the function which is x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. 10th question is find the derivative of the function x is equal to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta and y is equal to a into sin theta minus a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. So this gives to us dy by d theta is equal to a into sin theta derivative is cos theta minus theta cos theta derivative is cos theta minus theta times sin theta. So which would give us a theta into sin theta. Similarly, dx by d theta will give me a into minus sin theta plus sin theta derivative is sin theta plus theta cos theta, which you are very well aware, easy rule, simple easy rule. So which would give me a theta cos theta. So dy by dx would give me dy by d theta by dx by d theta, which is a theta sin theta upon a theta cos theta. So if we simplify further, I get it as tan theta. The question looks so big, but the answer is so simple, which is tan theta. I hope you got this. Next one is x is equal to root of a sin inverse of a cos sin inverse of t, y is equal to root of a cos inverse of t. Find the dy by dx. I need to show dy by dx is minus of y by x. The question is the last question in this, which is if x is equal to root of a power sin inverse of t and y is equal to root of a power cos inverse of t, show that dy by dx is equal to minus of y upon x. So dy by dt is same as 1 by 2 root x, which is 2 root a cos inverse of t, and cos inverse of a power cos inverse of t is a power cos inverse of t into ln of a into derivative of cos inverse of t is minus of 1 by root of 1 minus t square, and dy by dx also I'll do 2 steps further. Dy by dx is same as dy by dt upon dx by dt. You do derivative of dx by dt, you get 1 by 2 times root of a power sin inverse of t into a power sin inverse of t into ln of a into 1 upon root of 1 minus t square. So ln of a, this and this get cancels out. So I am left 2 and 2 also get cancels. Root get cancels in root times, and this get cancels in also in root times. So I am left with minus of root of a cos inverse of t upon root of a power sin inverse of t, which is equivalent to minus y upon x. Hence true. Okay, this is the last problem. I hope you have enjoyed watching this, solving these problems. I suggest you to solve these problems twice or thrice so that you get hold of these concepts. But please make sure that you are clear with my previous videos where I have taught the concepts. Once you are clear with the concepts, solving problems is nothing. It will be definitely a cakewalk. Okay. Bye. See you in the next video. Mostly in the next video, we should deal with second order derivatives. See you then. Bye.